Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate 10% off a price using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $729 and you want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 10% discount. Here's how you do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price of $729 into your calculator, press the multiply button and multiply by 90. Now, you may be wondering, why do we multiply by 90? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the value is always 100%. A 10% discount means you are paying 10% less than the original price. So, if you take 10% away from 100, you are left with 90%. In other words, paying 90% of the original price means you are saving 10%. So, by multiplying the original price by 90 and then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating 90% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So, finally, let's press that percentage button, and voila, the final amount after a 10% off is $656.10. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine this time we have an item priced at $1,375. Let's enter that price, $1,375, into our calculator, press the multiply button, and let's multiply it by 90. And the final step is to press that percentage button. So after a 10% off, the final price comes out to be $1,237.50. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 10% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.